Mastering U.S. Imports, Role of ISF Agents and Brokers. Welcome back to our series on customs brokerage and import operations. In today's episode, we will be discussing the important role of ISF agents and brokers in facilitating smooth international trade. So let's dive right in. When it comes to importing goods into the United States, there are several mandatory requirements that need to be met. One of these requirements is the filing of the Importer Security Filing, or ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule. ISF agents and brokers play a crucial role in ensuring compliance with this rule and various other customs regulations. One of the key services provided by ISF agents and brokers is assisting importers in obtaining customs bonds. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures the payment of any duties, taxes, or penalties that may be imposed by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP). It acts as an insurance policy, protecting the government's interests and ensuring that the importer fulfills their obligations. Another important service offered by ISF agents and brokers is the proper filing of the ISF itself. The ISF filing includes information about the shipper, consignee, container details, and the contents of the shipments. This filing must be done at least 24 hours prior to the vessel's departure from the foreign port. ISF agents and brokers have the expertise to accurately prepare and submit this vital documentation, ensuring compliance and avoiding potential penalties. In addition to handling the paperwork, ISF agents and brokers also provide valuable consultation to importers. They assist in determining the appropriate Harmonized System (HS) codes for the imported goods, which are essential for duty calculations. Their expertise in customs regulations and tariff classifications helps importers navigate through the complex process and ensure smooth and cost-effective import operations. ISF agents and brokers act as intermediaries between importers, shipping lines, carriers, and the customs authorities. They coordinate and communicate with these stakeholders, ensuring a streamlined flow of information and documentation. By doing so, they help minimize delays, ensure compliance, and maintain efficient supply chain operations. Another significant role of ISF agents and brokers is conducting compliance audits for importers. They review the importer's procedures, documentation, and internal controls to identify any potential compliance issues. By spotting these issues early on, they help importers rectify their processes and avoid costly penalties and delays. ISF agents and brokers also offer training and educational resources to importers. They keep them updated about the ever-changing customs regulations, tariff changes, and other relevant trade compliance matters. With their expertise and guidance, importers can stay compliant, avoid disruptions, and make informed decisions to improve their import operations. That wraps up today's episode on understanding the services provided by ISF agents and brokers. We hope you found this information valuable. Join us again for our next episode, where we'll explore more in-depth topics related to customs brokerage and international trade. Until then, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to watch out for our upcoming videos. Disclaimer note below. Happy importing!